Please come. Straight, doctor.
Doctors, come
Right. One look straight. All of you.
Nobody can say she's a mother of.
And therapy. An honorary medical director, Family Planning Association of India too. He has designed 11 Gynac instruments and
surgeries are unnecessarily done throughout the world. It is one of the best investigations, which is the most misused.
Okay, so when you have such a person,
Good afternoon. I think we've heard so much and we've learned so much today. I really don't know what I can contribute in this space. But I think I'd just like to say about women's, health and wellness from my point of view is, being a young mother and, we trying to balance everything like Dr. Dalal says that, there are 3 eminent doctors who are so busy and they're sitting here stress-free and here I'm stressing. So I think the biggest thing for us women is, to take care of stress. I think we're stressing from the moment we wake up. We're like, what should we make for food today? I mean, what will my daughter eat? How do we get them to have all the nutrients in each and every meal that we're planning? So I think it is tough, and I think stress is, according to me today, just the toughest thing to deal with. I think everything takes its place, work, everything else. So in my own way, for me, I just like to share, like, de-stressing or being healthy and wellness is, I do a lot of yoga and I take walks and I try my best to, I'm a Kapoor and I love to eat. And you all may not believe me, but I mean, I ate pizza yesterday at my shoot and my manager was like, why don't you say that over here because no one will believe you. So I think I believe in doing everything in moderation. Like, I enjoy my food, but then I will take out the time to exercise, but in a healthy way. Like, I'm not into gymming or taking supplements. I try and do it in the healthiest way possible. And I think I'd just like to share with you all. Eat healthy and also spoil yourself with the pizzas and the biryanis. Like, I do everything in moderation in life. Yeah, thank you.
thank you. That was really wonderful. From a yummy mommy who's written a book on health and diet, which I think a lot of you should go into.
My experience, that's all. Thank you. This year, the Ladies Wing has decided to support an NGO at every event. So we are now felicitating the The Shanti Avedna Sadan has given a lot of preference to the poor, the needy, not looking into any caste.
इवेंट के बारे में कुछ बताइए, किस तरह का इवेंट था?
ये जो IMC का इवेंट है, it's a pleasure to be here today और इतने eminent डॉक्टर IMC विंग के साथ जो अच्छा टॉक रहा है, I think I've learned so much. It's so educational and I think as a woman and wellness today is so important. And I think all the ladies here, including me, I think we learned a lot today.
Karishma, we know that you're a hands-on mom, but now that your kids have grown up a bit, do you get to spend more time at shoots, or how do you manage still?
Well, I think मेरे लिए मेरे बच्चे हमेशा priority रहेंगे. That's always important, no matter what age they may be. And I think it's a good balance. I'm enjoying this phase क्योंकि मैं काम भी कर सकती हूँ और मैं घर पे भी रह सकती हूँ. So, but the kids will always be priority.
Karishma, you have the Punjabi genes. We know that you are quite a foodie, but still, how do you maintain this perfect
जैसे मैंने कहा, I think what is important is a balance of everything. मुझे खाने का बहुत शौक है, लेकिन फिर मैं थोड़ा एक्सरसाइज भी कर लेती हूँ and eat healthy food is also very important. So I think generally in life a balance for everything is very important.
Karishma, a new second generation of star kids are lining up to enter Bollywood. Has Samira or your son shown some interest? What are they?
They are too young now to decide, and I would always leave it up to them. It's their choice, and I support whatever they want to do.
But acting runs in the Kapoor's blood,
Auntie,
right?
देखते हैं अभी क्या होता है.
What are your upcoming projects, Karishma? If you could just upcoming.
Well, no movie right now, but you never know what will happen.
Anything on television that?
Thank you.